Shafer works on a spare. Foundation frame. Push. He sure did. He's got to use this one. Come on. Big hit on the 10-pin. Hold it. Huge shot there, Chris. Ball comes. Get some help. Shafer starts us. Third. All 10 down for Ryan. Person for USBC. Tell us a little bit more. Chris appearing on flyers, videos. PBA.com, bowl.com. You do it much sooner. It does hold. Looks for the front five. Can he stay perfect? All 10 down. Here's the front five. $600 for 6 straight. Which he accomplishes. How about 7 straight? Well, help. Oh, you'll get bigger. That allows guys to get the ball down the lane easier and create more angles if I can. Now, the bottom line is the patterns played easier this year. 300 games. How about 9 straight? You bet. That's what he needs for perfection. There's one for a 300. Come on, get it! The 10-pin goes down. He needs one more for a perfect game. Come on! Yeah! Come on! He did it! Yes! 300 Ryan Shafer! Chase out there, and now it looks like the situation's reversed. There's a late tap on number 4. Get all from left of the 10th board, and so this guess is going to have to be right immediately. New record for Ryan Shafer. Tries to extend on it. And will. 18 bagger.